Okay, we are in this building number in this in Roblox skyscrapers and like something else. And this is the elevator. Teknikk lifts. We can ride it. It doesn't even have a sound. Let's go to B. Enough. We're in the parking. Let's go to 11. Look at the window. Are we stuck? Now the elevator is getting busted. Yeah. Here's the microscope. There. What? Here at 11. You can see there's nothing here. Let's go to 7. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. B. I think we're at the parking. You're definitely at the parking. Stop it! It's raining tacos. Okay, here we are. 1. Almost making it sound. Can these doors burst open? Uh-oh. Looks like we're going up. I think I pressed 7 on accident. Let's have. Can I go back to 1? Whoa. Close door. 3, 2, 1. Here we're at 1, and that's it.